How is this $7.95? Oh no, it's broken. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will be doing a SHEIN haul. So I haven't opened it yet, so you guys will be able to see what I actually got. I don't know which order this was as well. So I had 2 orders that I made. So yeah, it's really exciting. So first off, this one is it's the shoe. So this is actually my second order. I got it in size 38 or size 7. I'm usually 7.5. So it looks like that. This is pretty good. I like it. It is a patent leather-ish, and it says SHEIN. And I just like this kind of height, so yeah. But this one retails for $30.95. It's called the Patent Open Toe Ankle Strap High Heel Sandals. And I think it's really nice. It's very sturdy. Yeah, it's pretty good. I like that one. This. So this one is, I think, is a Gucci dupe. So yes, oh my gosh, it's an actual wood. I love this. I got it in size, it's confusing, it says 39 here, but it says on the sticker 38. So we'll see if it actually fits. So this is what it looks like. Pretty sleek. And there's a little bit of a heel. It is wood, and that bit is rubber, and a little bit of 2 pieces of wood as well, kind of stuck in together. Yeah. I love it. This is cute. This retails for $35.94. Yeah, it's called Metal Decor Loafer Mules. I got it in size 38. This is a wig stand. I'm excited for the wig as well. Let me know if you want to have a video of me putting the wig on. I'll be down for that video. This is the first time I'll be doing wigs and trying wigs out, so it'll be interesting for me to see as well. So yeah, I've got me myself, I think I only have one. Yeah, so I have got one pair of sunglasses. This one comes like that. Ooh, it is pretty good. So it has a velvet touch inside it. And it does come with the glasses and the cleaner. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, like the thing that you wipe on the glass. So this is what it looks like. How is this $7.95? It is really nice. I've got a wig cap. So, it's supposed to be 4 pieces though. So I got 2 pieces. It says there. By the way, all the pricing will be New Zealand dollars. But yeah, anyway, $2.95 I think is really good. Speaking of the wig, it's quite light. But it comes with a package like this. So this one is a bag, I think. Yeah, it's called a Metal Decor Flat Crossbody Bag. It retails for $21.94. This is actually my first bag from SHEIN, so I'm excited to see what's in it. So, oh wow. Alright, not mad. I think this is quite cheap looking. But I really like the detail that they use. But yeah, so that is that one. Oh, yes. So this one I got, it's like a Philippine earpiece. It's kind of like a replica of what Catriona Gray actually used when she was in Miss Universe. This one retails for $2.95. Yeah, this is called the Texture Flat Chain Crossbody Bag, and it retails for $15.95. Fancy. It's the same. I don't know if it's plastic. It might be plastic. I don't think that one is. But this one is textured and obviously it's smaller. If you do want to do a comparison, it's just like that. Ang landi. What I love for comparison. If you're gonna buy like one of these bags, I think just get this one, the tiny one. Oh yeah, I've got this one. This is a headband. And this one retails for $2.95. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Ooh, quite tight. I think for $2.95 this is pretty good. It's worth it. It's just this handmade, nothing else. And oh yes, this is a Gucci dupe again. I really love them. This one retails for $2.95. What's the difference? Okay, so I've got this one as well. It's a bee looking thing. And this one is $1.95. Let's see. I've got these ones as well. They look so good. These ones are... Oh no, it's broken. I think I'll be able to fix them. This is my accessory haul from SHEIN. Anyway guys, so that is my entire haul. I hope you like it. I think my favorite piece would be this. I think this would be the least favorite item of this haul. The reason being is that because I don't like the strap. I don't like that bit. I'll see if I can work on it, but if not, then it's fine. Well, thank you so much again for watching, and like, comment and subscribe.